Hello everyone, my name is rayansh Arora. I am from class 4B. Today I am going to tell you how to make a bridge. You have to take these materials: a sketch pen, black color, and a compass, a cutter, scissors, glue, and cardboard, and scale and pencil. Now I have cutted some things that is required to make the bridge. I will paste this on and then I will paste the supporters. The half part of the bridge. You can see this is for going the water through the rivers, and I will paste it now so the cars can go over it, through it.
बस मिल जाओ आप।
Now I have make the bridge, but I have to make the barriers so it can be more attractive. Okay friends, now I have completed the bridge and it is made to cross the river obstacle, and I have made these ramps to go up and down. You can see, and I have made these railings so that the vehicle cannot fall down, and I have made these curves so the bridge will make more strong, and the ship will go, if the ship will come, it will go in this below the bridge. Thank you.